Listen. That tearing sound. That's a $1,000 mistake. In 2026, the gap between a display tablet that inspires you and one that holds you back has never been wider. Some have colors that lie. Others have latency that kills your flow. But hidden in this year's lineup are absolute masterpieces that feel like drawing on light itself. We tested them on real projects, with real artists. The results will change how you create forever. Every tablet we trust is linked below. Let's find your new creative limb. Number 1. XP Pen 4K UHD Artist Pro. Experience the breathtaking visual clarity and detail of a stunning 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160, resolution displayed on an expansive 18.4-inch screen. This remarkable display empowers designers with the ability to zoom in and out seamlessly while editing their work, guaranteeing that the quality of their designs remains unparalleled across a variety of media formats. Whether it's for large printed posters or high-definition screens, the resolution ensures that every detail is preserved, allowing for creative freedom and precision. Artists benefit from the capability to view multiple layers of their artwork simultaneously, facilitating quick modifications and enhancing workflow efficiency. Illustrators can appreciate every intricate color detail in their creations, refining characters and backgrounds to achieve. Number 2. XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 2.5K. The XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 drawing tablet represents a significant advancement in the world of digital artistry, particularly with the introduction of its X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus. This revolutionary stylus features an impressive 16K pressure sensitivity levels, which is 100% higher than that of competing products in the market. This exponential increase in pressure levels allows for highly precise and smooth line work, making it an exceptional tool for artists focused on hyper-nuanced creations. Whether you're working on intricate details in illustrations or aiming for delicate shading, this tablet is designed to be a game-changer, elevating the quality and precision of your artwork to new heights. In terms of display, the XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 features a generous 16-inch screen that adopts a high-resolution 2560 by 1600 QHD display. This full laminated technology ensures that there is minimal distance between the stylus nib and the screen, significantly reducing parallax errors that can often occur in less advanced tablets. Number 3. XP Pen Artist Pro 14 Gen 2. The XP Pen Artist Pro 14 Gen 2 is a powerful drawing tablet designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. It is essential to note that this device requires a connection to a computer or laptop to function effectively, as it is not a standalone unit. Users must rely on their computer systems to utilize the tablet's features and capabilities. Included with the tablet is a 3-in-1 cable, conveniently packaged in a small white box within the overall product packaging. This cable is vital for establishing a connection between the tablet and your computer, allowing for the transfer of data and power necessary for operation. Number 4. XP Pen Artist Ultra 16 4K. The XP Pen Artist Ultra 16 touchscreen drawing tablet needs to connect with a computer to use. You need to use it with your computer or laptop. Next-level visuals with 4K OLED screen. Experience breathtaking clarity and vibrant color with a 15.6-inch 4K OLED drawing tablet with screen. It boasts AMOLED technology, 3840 by 2160 UHD resolution, 100:000:1 contrast ratio, less than 1 millisecond response time, full laminated technology, anti-glare etched glass, AF coating, TVSD low blue light certification, which will bring you lifelike, exquisite, and crystal clear images effortlessly, achieving instant feedback similar to drawing on paper, ideal for professional illustration, photo retouching, and animation. Number 5. XP Pen Artist Pro 24 Gen 2. A 4K display significantly improves the viewing experience in virtual reality, VR, game design by greatly reducing the screen door effect. This phenomenon, characterized by visible pixel gaps that resemble a mesh or screen door, can detract from the overall immersion and realism of VR environments. With a 4K resolution, these pixel gaps are virtually eliminated, leading to a much clearer and more engaging visual experience for users. Their higher pixel density not only enhances clarity but also facilitates more precise and intricate designs, allowing developers to create stunning visual elements for their games and applications. Opting for the 23.8-inch 4K UHD graphic tablet, which boasts a resolution of 3840 by 2160, future-proofs your creative setup, preparing it for the evolving landscape of high-resolution content, VR applications, and advanced game development scenarios. So, which screen will become your canvas? The tools are now in your hands, literally. But this is just chapter 1. Next week, we're exposing the asterisk software settings asterisk that even pros get wrong on these tablets, settings that can double your workflow speed overnight. You won't want to miss it. If this guide helped clear the digital fog, hit like. It tells YouTube this is real help for creators. Share it with an artist who's been on the fence. And subscribe, because we're here to turn your skill into vision. I'll see you in the next one.